If this video helps you, please like and subscribe at the end. It means a ton to me. This is a quick guide on how to download and use nocries CS2 config. Want to play like the Mongolian superstar who crushed Face It NA? Let's get his exact settings. Crosshair, binds, all that good stuff. Load it up in your game in no time. Here's how. First, fire up your browser and head to prosettings.net/players/nocries. On the left side menu, locate and click Config. Hit the download button and open the zip file. Now let's get it in your game. Right-click CS2 in Steam, go to Properties, then Installed Files and click Browse. You'll see a folder called Game, then CSGO, then CFG. That's where you drop the autoexec.cfg file. If it asks to overwrite, click Yes. Last step, right-click CS2 again, go to Properties, hit General, and in Launch Options, type +exec autoexec.cfg. Start the game, and boom, nocries config should load up, ready to help you pop heads like a pro. Thanks for watching.